Hi. So I'm working out with Joanna Soh today. That's SOH. Hopefully I pronounced it right. But I'm trying something different. I'm going to do a week with her, see how that works out. And it's a low impact for overweight full body workout. So let's do it. I am so ready. Yay. Holla. Just relax, take a deep breath, 20 seconds rest, and the next workout will be leg curls, and this workout will really leg work curls on your quads and also your hamstrings, okay? So bring your arms up together. I want you to open your chest and just curl one leg at a time, okay? So curl it up, good. This is what we do on Walking Sassy, pretty much. Open out your chest. You should also feel your chest working and squeezing your back muscles. Good. Step. And another tip is to always keep your knees bent. Okay? Good. Keep your knees bent. Just step. This is for beginner, overweight. Just need to get up and start doing something. You have to start somewhere. So start with this. Step. Find your coordination. Workout with Joanna. Let's few more. Keep your arms up, keep your shoulders up, and just relax, roll your shoulders, shake it out. Right. The next workout is a reach and twist, okay? This is cool. So stand slightly wider. I want you to reach and twist to the opposite side, okay? As though you're reaching for something far away. So just reach and twist. Yeah, this is everything. Reach and twist. Okay, good. Let's go. So this workout will also work on your side abs. Definitely everything we do on Workout with Bonji, just faster. Your side abs, okay? Twist, really twist your hips. Okay, put that intensity in, twist your hips. You should feel your heart rate going up slightly, reach and twist. Look the opposite side. If you want to, you can speed up your movement slightly, okay? Listen to your body, take it at your own pace, and twist. Twist your hips, twist your legs, twist your obliques. Good. Again, march it out and bring your heart rate down. The next exercise is very nice. Squats. Really basic. Squats. We're good with that. Nice stance. So stand shoulder width apart. Forward. Imagine there's a chair behind you, and I want you to sit. You just want to try to sit on a chair. Okay. So just really small movement. You don't have to go too low. Find a pace that's comfortable for you, okay? Find a range that you're comfortable with. Good. So push your butt back. Push your butt back. Sit, and as you come up, squeeze those glutes up. Squeeze the glutes. Squeeze for 1 second. Back down, up, squeeze. Good. Back down, up, and squeeze. Okay? So again, always keep your knees slightly bent. Don't lock your knees. Good. Gentle movement, squeeze. We're just working out with Joanna. Squeeze, and last one, and squeeze. Very good. All right, next. This is a nice way to get started when you're just beginning, you know. Stand, facing forward. Start with your left leg going back first. All right, so take a step back, bend your knees slightly, up, and bring it back. And the opposite side, okay? Got that? Find your balance. That's your balance and just down, up, in. Step, down, up, in. Good. If you want to challenge yourself, then go lower. All right? Take a wide step back, down, up, and in. Very good. Okay? Find your range. Work on opening up your hip flexors. And yeah, you guys definitely have to go to her station. This is a really cool workout. I'm gonna do it, you know, for 7 days, maybe 2 weeks. Find your balance. Tighten your core to find your balance. Okay? All the exercises is all about engaging your core muscles. All right? Really suck the belly in and feel your abs working as well. Rest it out. Very nice. Just make sure you maintain your core. Okay? So we want to work on your core and your midsection again. Hands just by your ears, okay? All you have to do is twist and try to bring your elbow to your knee. Okay? We do this all the time, so we got this. If you can't, so it's okay. Just reach and twist, okay? The whole point is for you to feel that twisting motion. Good. Keep going. Nice. Very good. Keep your breathing.
Bring those legs up and keep your shoulders and your elbows open. Last one more. And rest it out. You got 2 more workouts, okay? Only 2 more workouts and you will get a 1-minute break. Let's work on our upper body right now. Cross punch, okay? So just stand shoulder width apart, slightly wider. Bring your arms together by your face, and I want you to just cross and punch the opposite side. Very good, okay? So punch strong, pull it back, punch and pull it back. Good. Right. So always punch right in the center, okay? Don't punch all the way there, just right in the center.
Oh, just right in the
punch,
center.
Pull it back. Every time you punch and pull it back, that's when you work more on your arms, okay? Relax your shoulders slightly.
So we're going to the
punch
center.
And go on your face. Good. Feel your upper body working. Good. Feel your arms working and your shoulders as well. Good. Keep going. Give me strong punches if you want. You can even spin it up slightly and twist and punch like you mean it. Good. There you go. And
We
just
are
rest
fighters,
it out.
baby.
One last workout is a low impact burpee. Okay, so we want to get down onto the floor and get back.
Yeah,
So
burpee.
let's start by getting down on the
Oh
floor.
my God.
Down. Take a left
So we go
step back.
down,
Right step back. Step in, and just stand. All right. Let's try together. Down, left, right,
down,
in,
1,
in, out. Good.
2,
Touch.
3,
Left
4,
back, right back, in, up. Nice. Let's go again. Keep going.
3,
Again,
4,
take it at your own pace.
and up.
If you want to
Woo.
get up, you can. All right. In, and up. Squeeze your butt and your legs on the way up. Very good. Keep going. You got a few more. So this is a low impact burpee. Going up. Feel your heart rate and rest it out. Well done.
Ooh.
So now take a 1-minute break, and we want to repeat all the exercises again. You know the
We're gonna do
workout.
it one more time.
You're hydrated.
We are working out with Joanna Soh, S-O-H. She's amazing. I love her. This is my first day with her. And we're gonna do it for a while. We're gonna do it for a week or 2. See how it goes. I like it. Woo. I'm just trying different workouts to get toned. I'm pretty much like I can do my walking, but when you're doing the body weight training, I have to just go with somebody else on that. So here we go.
Give me your best energy. We have 10 seconds more, and it is round number 2.
I am so ready for this.
Engage your core throughout.
Engage your core through everything.
Gentle march on the spot. So let's go. March on the spot. If you want to, like I say, bring your knees up. Give me a high march. Swing your arms. Bring your knees up. Work on your legs, your bum muscles, and just relax your upper body. Okay? You should feel your shoulders working slightly as well. So high march, as high as you can. Good. And bring up the speed slightly more. I am sweating, and so you should be sweating as well. Keep going. March. High march. Few more. Last.
Ah, this is pretty cool. Ah. You know what? I'm turning it off.
Last 5 seconds. Good. Up. Good job. Keep going. Last few more. Good. You should feel glutes working. Up. One more. Give it one more on the other side, okay? Down and shake it out. Shake it out. Now, let's work on standing crunches. So we want to work on the big section. Just lay your
I have a little sweat happening.
The goal is to bring your elbow to your
Standing
okay?
crunches.
Feel your abs, your side abs crunching together. Let's go. Crunch, step, crunch, okay? So really suck the belly in to find your balance. Don't lose balance, okay? So suck it in, stand
Suck it
tall, open your chest, and crunch the opposite side. Very good. Keep going, crunch, and look straight ahead. Good. Twist muscles. Keep going. Crunch. Higher up. Come on. Let's speed it up slightly. One last one. And rest it out. Upper body. Punches, okay? I want you to punch like you mean it. And find your rhythm.
We're gonna punch like we mean it.
Keep punching. Alright? So arms up, just like a fighter. And I want you to twist your body left to right. Good. Got that? Let's go. You're a fighter. Good. And though you're a fighter, there's a fighter in you. I want you to sweat and feel your sweat dripping. And I don't want you to stop right now because you're going to finish the entire workout with me. Punch and pull it back. Good.
That's it.
Punch like a minute. Twist. Feel the legs working. And keep going. Bend your knees slightly. Alright? Keep going. Breathe out. Alright, let's do it. A few more. 5 more seconds. Keep going. Not now. Don't stop now. Feel your arms, your shoulders working. Last few more. Keep it all. And rest it out. Last workout. Low impact burpees.
Yeah.
Down to the floor. Step up and stand up. Okay? Wipe your sweat slightly. Drink sweat. One last workout. You know what?
One more, we're done.
Really good break. And a pad. Right, let's go. Arms down, step back, step forward, and straight up. Okay? Focus on your posture. When you step up, look straight, and give me a nice, tall, standing position. Good. Back, in, stand tall. Very nice. In, okay? Find your rhythm. Back and in. Push your butt and your body upright. So push, use the momentum, come back up. Last workout, guys. You got this. 5 more seconds. And give me one more, okay?
Ooh.
Give me one more. And
Nice.
well done.
All right.
That was a 20-minute low impact workout which you can start on a daily basis, okay?
So that was a 20-minute workout with Joanna. So, SOH. It was awesome. I loved it. Okay. Woo. Oh, that was beautiful. All right. I'll see you for walking sassy because we're still walking it off. We are walking off fear, anxiety, frustration, stress, everything. This is day 25. So holla, right? We're almost done. After this, just 5 more days to go. So let's get it done. I'll see you for that. And let's just keep on stepping sassy. You are blessed.
You should feel glutes working up. One more. Give it one more on the other side, okay? Down and shake it out. Shake it out. Now, let's work on standing crunches. So we want to work on the big section. Just lay your
I have a little sweat happening.
The goal is to bring your elbow to your
Standing
okay?
crunches.
Feel your abs, your side abs crunching together. Let's go. Crunch, step, crunch, okay? So really suck the belly in to find your balance. Don't lose balance, okay? So suck it in, stand
Suck it
tall,
in.
open your chest, and crunch the opposite side. Very good. Keep going, crunch, and look straight ahead. Good. Twist, feel the legs working, the side of the abs, and at the same time, feel legs working. Every time you bring your legs up, that's when you will work on your thigh muscles. Keep going, crunch, higher up, come on. Let's speed it up slightly. One last one, and rest it out. Upper body, punches, okay? I want you to punch like you mean it. And find your rhythm.
We're gonna punch like we mean it.
Keep punching, alright? So arms up, just like a fighter, and I want you to twist your body left to right. Good. Got that? Let's go. You're a fighter. Good. And though you're a fighter, there's a fighter in you. I want you to sweat and feel your sweat dripping. And I don't want you to stop right now because you're going to finish the entire workout with me. Punch and pull it back. Good.
That's it.
Punch like a minute. Twist. Feel the legs working. And keep going. Bend your knees slightly, alright? Keep going. Breathe out. Alright, let's do it. Few more. 5 more seconds. Keep going. Not now. Don't stop now. Feel your arms, your shoulders working. Last few more. Keep it all. And rest it out. Last workout. Low impact burpees. Get down to the floor. Step up and stand up. Okay? Wipe your sweat slightly. Drink some sweat. One last workout. You know what?
One more, we're done.
Really good break. And a pad. Right, let's go. Arms down, step back, step forward, and straight up. Okay? Focus on your posture. When you step up, look straight, and give me a nice, tall, standing position. Good. Back, in, stand tall. Very nice. In, okay? Find your rhythm. Back and in. Push your butt and your body upright. So push, use the momentum, come back up. Last workout, guys. You got this. 5 more seconds. And give me one more, okay?
Ooh.
Give me one more. And
Nice.
well done.
All right.
So that was a 20-minute low impact workout which you can start on a daily basis, okay?
So that was a 20-minute workout with Joanna. So, SOH. It was awesome. I loved it. Okay. Woo. Oh, that was beautiful. All right. I'll see you for Walking Sassy because we're still walking it off. We are walking off fear, anxiety, frustration, stress, everything. This is day 25. So holla, right? We're almost done. After this, just 5 more days to go. So let's get it done. I'll see you for that. And let's just keep on stepping sassy. You are blessed.